Hey guys, today we are introducing the first of the platypus videos, and this one will be a miniature review. We're reviewing two figures from the Oathsworn range, in this case the animal based miniatures rather than the dwarfs, which they also have, and I believe there's some suitably clothed female dungeon explorers that are also on the horizon through Kickstarter at this point in time. Now, to start off with, you can see I've lined up the figures with some other manufacturers so you get a sense of the size of them. On the left we have a Otherworld dungeon explorer, and then a Privateer Press miniature from, I believe, their War Machine Mercenaries range. Then you have the Oathsworn Platypus, a Mantich zombie, and then an Oathsworn snake with what looks to be a magic staff. And then finally we have a hassle-free fantasy adventurer, Sir Owen, I believe. Right, so I shall just show you a little close up. I've actually not glued them down to these bases, so when I pick them up, don't be surprised the base doesn't come with. I haven't really done any cleaning on these miniatures, so I've not scraped away any mould lines or anything like that, so you can see there's pretty minimal flash. There's a little bit on his boomerang, and one small piece there on the base, which is never really an issue. So you can see quite a clean and crisp cast. I actually really quite like the figure itself. He's quite, you know, despite being a duck-billed platypus, he's quite menacing. Has a cloak, a baton and a boomerang. I shall pop him back down and go for the snake. Now the snake I really like. I think it's awesome. Whether you use it as a sort of entity in its own right as a snake character, or whether you use it as a snake in a dungeon that's protecting a magic staff or weapon, or even a sorcerer that's transformed himself into a snake, I just think it's a really nice piece. It would fit in with any fantasy setting, I believe, and the size of him as well is really quite handy. He's not small, so he can be quite vicious. Could be a boa constrictor if you wanted, I suppose, or any kind of venomous snake, just bigger. So they're the two models that I ordered through the Kickstarter a little while ago. Because I got it through the Kickstarter, I also got these two pieces. I shall show you the first one, which looks like a ruined statue or something like a badger. Again, this is resin, but there's no air bubbles, no quality issues that I can see. That it's a really nice cast. And again, the same with this one. It's actually, I'll try and find a way of, there you go, it's a sleeping mouse. He's got his head on his knapsack, and a little shield at his feet, and a sword by the back of him. Again, no air bubbles, no obvious signs of any issues with the casting. A really nice crisp cast. I really like them, I have to say. Top-notch stuff, and for a platypus as well to be in the first review, I think fantastic. What do you guys think? Pop along onto the forum or comments at the bottom of the video. It'd be brilliant. Cheers, thank you.